Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's tutorial is how to program Parled on the DMX 512. But if you have a DMX 192, it's okay. They're just the same. Yes, I already have a video on how to use this. I overview it, tutorials like that. Yeah, I'm making a tutorials video, basic tutorials for beginners. So it start, like I said, this is the scanner or fixture button, and over here we have our scene where we save our program. In here we have 16 channel feeders. Yes, it's 16, but it just 8. But it is really 16 because some fixture or lights need 16 channels. Well, I'll just explain to you in the other video on about channels fixture. Yes. If you want to use 16 channel, you need just to press this page selector. Here, if you press the page selector, it will change to another plus 8 channel. So it is 16. But this picture it only need 8 channel, I guess. 8 dimmer, red, green, blue, strobe, colors, speed. Oh, only 7. Yeah, whatever. But it is must be 8 because it's some parlay has a white. Yes. So let's begin. I set this address into 1. So 1 in our picture, we need to select the right address, which is 1. 1. And here you can see 2. If you have 2 parallel, it's not we you cannot address the other one into address 2. Why? Because over here it just picture number, not their address. This number, it's not their address, it's just a picture number. So it is mostly on this number must be plus 16. Yes. So the other one, the other picture, other parallel, if this one, so 1 plus 16 equals 17. So the next address on the other parallel is 17. So this is here is the 17. 17 and plus 16, 33, and plus 16, 49, and so on. Let's start. On 1, like I said, it has 7 or 8. The 1 dimmers, 1. Always open your dimmer. It's mostly on channel 1. The next is the channel 2. Channel 2 is the red, green, blue. Alright. For example, let's start let's start to program this picture. First step, you need to long press this program button. Long press until there's a blinking on the display. It says the program. If it's blinking, then we're on program mode. So for example, my scene is like this, color red, and we need to save our program over here the top scene button. I'll just long press the add MIDI or add long press. Don't let go that button. Then we select what scene we want to save. Sample scene 1. There. Then my next scene is like this. Just the same. Save the pro add, and the next must be on the other scene button. You cannot put on the scene 1 because we already have the program, which is the color red we just made earlier. So you save on number 2. Now, now to use what the program, all we need to do is to exit the program. If you want to exit the program, just long press the program button. After that, there's a blink on the blackout, which is this button. You need to press it there. Now to use our program, you only just press the scene button and press which that which we, where did we just program. Sample the number 1, which is the red there. Now it's saved. Let's try the green, which is here in the scene 2. Ay, there, the green. Now let's try to delete this program. Delete this green. How? Just long. All you need to do, just let's just go to the program mode. Then must be you need to long press the delete button here, auto or delete. Long press the delete. Just the same on the add. We just make long press, but don't let go. Let's delete the scene too. There, when it blink, it means the program has been deleted. Now we need to exit the program. Long press it. Close the block. Then let's try to see if it's deleted. As you can see, there's nothing because we already delete the program. So that's how you program your parlay on DMX 512 or 192, just the same. Now if you want to create a chase, okay, let's try to create a chase. All you need to do is to okay, if you want to create a chase, now let's try to create a chase, but it's now let's try to create a chase. Now next, let's create a chase, but I will make it. Now let's try to create a chase, but I will make it on the other video. So yeah, see you there, guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye. I hope you understand. Thank you. Please subscribe. But thank you very much. Bye bye.